So this is the space that's going to be the prep kitchen. I decided to do a little something with Leonard's. If you can barely see the sign there, Reggie bought me that sign after Leonard died because Leonard wanted to open a cigar bar. Cigar bar, right? With like a whiskey tasting flight and stuff? Like a Havana Club. But he died, so Reggie got me the sign so that we could build a Havana Club in memory of Leonard at Leonard's. But I decided to do something else with the building, which is to create an auxiliary prep kitchen. So let's take a look out here and see what the progress is. It is Bastille Day, July 14th. Let's take a look at the progress with Chapter, who is doing an amazing job. They're not here today because we're shooting, but wow, are they good. Let's go in. So, as you can see, they have taken it what's called to the studs. This will be the pantry area. Shelving, shelving, shelving. This is the counter. The sink is here. Counter. Metal shelving along the wall. We're repairing the entire roof, which we found out needs to be replaced. That's a change order. Beautiful tiles. And Leonard's Prep Kitchen is on its way. Obviously, as you demolish a building, you find problems. But so far, it's been great. They've been fantastic. So here we are in the shell stage. The next exciting thing is when they rock it, when they put the sheetrock. Then you're like, you know you really got something going. But this is great progress. Look at the progress in the back kitchen. Come on, we're so close. Look at this, it's September 17th. Freezer, refrigerator that accidentally opens the wrong way. We're changing that. Dishwasher. This is gonna be a sink and an incinerator. This is the wrong light bulb. Obviously, it's the wrong color. It's not the same color as that, but it will be on Monday. This is all my storage. I mean, that's just amazing. I cannot wait to be sitting out here, having a cocktail, and just doing prep. And I'm gonna have a freestanding oven, Mosley, the Thermomix, ice cream maker, sous vide, everything on top here, accessible, ready to go. Look at all this storage, 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 storage in Leonard's Prep Kitchen. Dun-dun. I'm gonna do some work on this year. So this is Sonny's grave. This is Leonard's grave. That's Vivian's grave, and that's George's grave. So we're gonna make these even more beautiful and better. And we're gonna fix this terrible mulching issue we have here. So we built these beautiful boxes around Alan Tyndall, which is the name of this tree. He's a Japanese maple. And he's suffering a little bit, so it all started from there. But we built these boxes and planted this sort of beautiful grass, which is gonna get very tufty and grassy. And we built another box over here, which also serves to hold in these walking stones, which helps. We're gonna get all new gravel. We're replanting this tree, my devil's walking stick. So the graves are now just deeper down than they were. I have the stones, and they're gonna put a little sort of oval of gravel, and we're just gonna put the stone, not have the mounds, you know. But now they're even more cozy. Leonard's PK, the prep kitchen of my dreams. You'll be seeing more of this place as we proceed through the years of joy on Dinner Party Tonight. Storage, 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 storage in Leonard's Prep Kitchen.